everyone, I'm gonna try to show you how we begin most of my shawls using left and right linear increases. We are on row 5. Row 3 actually will be the same as row 5. So row 3 says slip 1, knit 1, LLI, left linear increase. For row 5, we're gonna have in pattern, the pattern says knit 2, now do the LLI. You see how I picked up the thread from the previous row? And I'm actually gonna knit through the back loop. So this is the LLI, knit 1, purl 1. We're gonna turn the work, and this is the trickiest out of all the increases for these shawls. I apologize for a lot of movement. One woman operation here, so I'm in two places at once. So the pattern says slip 1, purl 2, LLI. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the purl thread here, put it back on the needle, on the left needle, and knit through like that. I hope you saw that. Then we're gonna purl the next stitch, next 2 stitches, actually next 3 stitches per pattern. It says purl 3. Row 7. I wanted to show you how I cable without cable needle. It's a small cable, so it shouldn't be that hard. But you can practice. I mean, I practiced for 30 years, so I guess it's not hard for me, but it may be tricky in the beginning. I'm doing the right cable, 1-1 right cable, the cable that is moving to the right. So this is what I'm gonna do. I slip 2 stitches, but I'm holding it kind of with my finger here, and I placed the first stitch on the left needle. I picked up the one from the next one, and I put it back on the needle. So I basically changed the places for these 2 stitches. And the cable, I call it right cable because it's moving to the right. Then the pattern says purl 1 through the back loop, and this is how I do purl 1 twisted, actually purl 1 through the back loop twisted. You saw what I did here? Let's do it again. I picked up the purl stitch, I twisted it, and now I'm gonna purl it through the front loop, but because I twisted it, it's actually a left loop. Now we're going to do left cable. So this is how I do the left cable without cable needle. I pick everything up, and I just exchange places. You see, I changed their places, first and second stitch. Got a little tangled here, like this, and purl 1. Just wanted you to see how beautiful this stitch comes up on the other side when you actually do it after blocking. So this is the other side, and the name of and I had a little button here. The name of the shawl is Into My Heart, so you can see the edging. It's very important to get a right yarn for this project. That's something that shows texture nicely. You can see the increases here. So and this is the wrong side, and that's what I wanted to achieve. I wanted to have the look of the right side on the wrong side. Let's continue with row number 8. pattern says, purl 2. Now we're gonna do right lining increase, and this is what I'm gonna do. You see the thread from the row before, the purl one actually, it looks like purl on the wrong side. I pick it up and I knit it through the back loop again, just like that. And oh, this is the left one I just did, so I'm sorry, I confused myself. So I do need to do the right one. So let's go back, and you see I make mistakes. We're gonna do the right lining increase. So we're gonna pick up the thread from the row below of the following stitch, and we're going to knit through the back loop, and then we're gonna knit another stitch. I knit all my stitches through the back loops because this is how I was taught 100 years ago, not 130 something years ago, and it was the wrong continental, and now I realize it's wrong continental way to knit, but my stitches are still coming out okay, and I am not switching to different style, but you are welcome to knit it the way you were taught and you are comfortable with. So row number 9, and what's we're gonna do? We're gonna do another cable. You see how I never leave my needles out of my hands. Purl 1 through the back loop. I'm kind of in control. I think so. Now we are going to do another purl through the back loop and left moving cable. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this comes out of a good quality, and this will help you to work on my shawls. Any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at mylasknitcorner@gmail.com, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a happy knitting. Bye bye.